Hello friends, welcome to Akulmach Live and I am Chandrakant. You know that we are a business channel, but once in a while to jog your memory and also to maintain variety, we actually post certain challenges which are geometrical and sometimes mathematical. And today being a weekend, I thought I had posted a challenge few days back. It was a geometrical challenge and it was called challenge number 6, and this was a challenge basically. So today being a weekend, I thought we will solve this puzzle, and many of you actually can crack this in 2 minutes, but whenever we post a challenge we also need to solve it, so I'm sure it's a very easy one, but I'll still solve it. Before we start our solution, I must inform you that you see this curious QR code on the screen. This is a very user-friendly way to get connected with us. All you have to do is point your mobile phone camera onto this QR code and you will get connected instantly with our channel. And this QR code will be visible throughout the length of this video. So friends, don't go anywhere. I'll be back with my whiteboard and we will together solve this challenge. Welcome back friends, and as you can see that this problem has been displayed on the whiteboard, and let me explain the problem a little bit. There are two squares here. One is a bigger square and other one is a smaller square. There are two circles. One is solid and one is not solid, only perimeter is visible. So there are two circles and two squares, and the challenge was to find the area of the smaller circle. So if you look at this challenge, there are certain characteristics that you see over here. Number one is that the smaller square is exactly, the side of the smaller square is exactly half of the side of the larger square. So that means the area of the circle will be 1/4 of the area of the larger circle. So there are certain hints which are given here, but I think the problem is very straightforward. The problem is we have to find the area of the smaller circle, and we know that what is the area of the circle. I think if you have understood this whole problem, and also some distractions, because I think in this whole problem there are a bunch of distractions which are also present in the form of larger circle and the larger square, whereas all we need is a smaller square and smaller circle to find the area of this smaller circle. So I will just change so that I have a little bit more space for writing. I am just changing the whiteboard, and I will like to write a little bit. So what is the area of a circle? The area of a circle is it's pi into r square. This is the area of a circle. So our challenge is to basically find the let me shift this a little bit so that you can see this more clearly. Oops. Right, so this is a area of the circle, and r stands for the radius and r square. So all we need to do is basically find the radius of the circle, and now we know the little bit parameters of this smaller square, which is exactly half of the larger square. So let's say if we, let me elongate this, enlarge this picture a little bit. So if we say that the side of this square is say A, let's say A, and therefore the R will be A by 2. So it's simple because R will be only half of this side, that is logical. So if we have to find R to find the area of the circle, it will be R divided by A divided by 2. So let's get that thing also sorted out. So if it is small a, which is the side, or let's call it b to avoid any confusion, that will be equal to r, or rather 2r, twice the amount of r, and therefore r is the radius of the circle, will be equal to b divided by 2. This is b divided by 2. So in this case, let's populate our formula of area, which is capital A equals pi. And what is r now? R is b by 2, and r is basically r square. That means r into r. So what will happen to this now? Because if r square, which is equal to b into b, r into r, therefore it will be only b by 2 into b by 2. This is the pi into b by 2, and therefore the next equation would be a equals pi into b square divided by 4. This will be the area of the smaller circle. So friends, I think we were able to solve it in less than 2 minutes. If we know the formula of the area of a circle, we can crack this quickly. And deliberately in this image, if you see, there are some distractions, so we need not get distracted, and if we are focused, we can solve this. So friends, if you have any other method of solving this puzzle, do let me know. Do write in, give your comments. I'll await your comments, and you should wait for the next challenge, which will be slightly harder than this one. So until next time, I would like to say goodbye for today, and I'll be back with a new challenge very soon.